Step 1. Fill out the online application. Step 2. Visit the Infoabend for the guest program for refugees in Göttingen. There you receive information on the program. You will get the opportunity to ask questions and to sign up for a welcome group. Step 3. Visit a welcome group or come to the speaking hours of the program to sign up personally for the guest program for refugees. In any case, please bring your residence status or your identification documents. Step 4. Via email you get the address of the faculty at which you would like to study. During the speaking hours of the faculty or in an individually arranged meeting, you choose your courses and lectures. You can find all the classes you would like to visit in the Universität online using the search function. There you can find details like time and place of a class. Even if you do not have your guest student ID yet, you are allowed to take part in your chosen courses. Step 5. Visit the speaking hours of the guest student program at Wihelmsplatz. There you hand in your completed application. Step 6. Once you receive an email from the university's registrars office, you can collect your application and your Gasthörerschein from the student office. If you have taken part in the program before, you can renew your guest student ID directly at the student office. Step 7. Collect your guest student ID at the chip card issuing point on the central campus. Welcome at Göttingen University.